Alright guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install YouTube videos in Windows 11 or so let me start with that. So if you go to your this Microsoft store, and if you look for the YouTube, there is literally nothing. Like you can research that there's no YouTube. You cannot download it from here. There's other apps, and but there's no YouTube. So what you have to do, just go to Google Chrome. That's what, and type it just YouTube. Once you type it YouTube, just click it here, and once you click it here, it will go to the YouTube. And then now you have option to download, install the YouTube. All right, so what you have to do, just install it. Once you install it, it's already installed. All right, so now it will be here on your desktop. YouTube is here. Now you can see that you have the YouTube here. All right, so this one is installed. Once you go see that, here on the desktop is already there. Okay, so you can click it here, or like you can just pin bar. If you want to keep it, you can just pin to task to bar, and it will just stay here. It's not going anywhere. All right, even I will just delete this one and hope YouTube, it will take me to YouTube. You don't have to like look for again and again. And now once you go to the micro store, and then Microsoft, and then you look for the YouTube, and well, still not there, but there is other way to do that.